morning. Today we're going to be listening easy. I like to read books sometimes, so I went to the store for books, and they have CDs there. So I got a couple big CDs from the bookstore. One of my favorite bands since I was a little baby boy is Cake.
I need your arms around me. I need to feel your touch.
Listening to Cake as like a 10 through 15-year-old really showed me what you could do with music. I loved listening to their lyrics, and songwriting was so simple but clean, formulaic, beautiful. And then when they did weird shit, I was like, whoa, that's cool too. The first Cake CD I ever had was this one, Prolonging the Magic, featuring hit songs, Never There, Let Me Go, Sheep Go to Heaven. But if you ask me, the real hits are Satan Is My Motor, Mexico, Guitar, You Turn the Screws, Walk On By, Sheep Go to Heaven When You Sleep, Hem of Your Garment, Alpha Beta Parking Lot, Let Me Go, Cool Blue Reason, and Where Would I Be? This is a no skips CD. Okay, folks, no skips. It's really cool to see this on a 12-inch vinyl record. At the store, they had 5 Cake albums, one of each, and I had 3 in my shopping cart. In my little hand, had to put 2 back because of reasons. But I came away with this one because it was my first favorite, still might be my favorite. I really like Fashion Nugget and Motorcade of Generosity and say even Comfort Eagle. Sorry, I just woke up. Anyway, this is remastered audio on a 180 gram vinyl. Let's pull it out and see the circle label. Yeah, that's what I'd expect. This is going to be nice. Simple, basic. What I always liked about Cake was that they said that their music was the product, so the album art is the packaging. And that was the first time I ever heard that in reference to music and bands who seem to always be trying to stand out and do cool new things and break ground in every way possible. But they were just like basically saying that their music is like a can of tuna and it's all going to look the same. You can see it in the store and know what it is. What's really important is what's inside. And you know, as like a young kid, that really resonated with me. So here we go. What time is it? Be right back. Next, we have the Barnes & Noble exclusive version, Stampede by Orville Peck. I absolutely fell deeply in love with this man when I discovered Bronco, his second album. This being his third, Pony being his first. Pony, Bronco, Stampede. Bronco absolutely blew me away. Curse of the Blackened Eye, Hexy Mountain. If you haven't heard it, please give it a full listen all the way through. Again, no skips. His most recent album, Stampede, referring to the fact that this is 100% duets. He released the first half of it a few months ago, and the whole thing just came out. I gotta be honest with you guys, I don't like it as much as Bronco. Now, I told Orville a while ago when I was in love with Bronco, listening to it every day, crying my eyes out, rocking and rolling. I got on Twitter and told him, listen man, I love you, do whatever you want, whatever makes you happy. And this is him doing that, I hope. We have duets with the likes of Willie Nelson, that soft liberal, Elton John, guy doesn't even write his own songs, Beck, freaky Scientologist, Noah Cyrus, that's like his best friend, I think, Molly's brother, Miley's sibling, we got Kylie Minogue, Queer Icon, and Diplo. So there's a lot of content on here, and I'm not going to claim to be an expert on all of these artists that he's partnering with. Nathaniel Rateliff is on here, mushmash of covers and original songs, old traditionals. Obviously, his song with Willie Nelson, Cowboys Are Frequently Secretly Fond of Each Other, is a classic.
What did you think all them saddles and boots was about?
Made popular by the subversive Willie Nelson in the 80s, and I think it's really cool that they do that song together on here. My favorite, I think, is Miéntame. With somebody named Boo Quaron, probably pronouncing that wrongly. So there's 15 tracks total, ending in Rhinestone Cowboy. It's fine. I think he needed to get this out of his system. I'm glad he's doing whatever he wants. And then I feel like whatever comes down the road for him, his 4th album, hopefully will like blow my socks off like Bronco did. So let's look at the record. Big fat gatefold. I love this man. He's gorgeous. He's perfect. He's cool. Inserts denim theme with lyrics. I think it's even in the same font as the lyrics sheet in Bronco. And the Barnes & Noble exclusive, which sounds so dorky to say, but it's this nice lavender, and we like that a lot. So it looks good. Looks good. I love this photograph. Sorry if it's not in focus. He's really living his truth, and we love that. Next. I've been researching this for a long time. Probably not as long as some others, but I wanted to make sure I got the right copy. There were 4 versions, 2 US, 2 European. 3 of them came out in 2023. One of them was a re-release, but it was like a variant. And after lots of narrowing it down to see which one I wanted, I wanted the earliest release from the artist's country of origin, which is this country, the United States. So I found this, and it just so happens that it is the collector's edition. Chappell Roan! The Rise and Fall of a Midwest Princess. I'm sure you heard of this guy by now. This version looks factory sealed. It is the collector's edition. I think the vinyl is black. There was a Coke bottle clear variant, and then also there is a repress that I just pre-ordered also of the anniversary edition, which is weird, is what, the 1-year anniversary, and that's going to be pink. But let's look at this one. Chappell Roan taking the world by storm. She and Orville have stuff in common, just absolutely stealing the hearts of the world with their queer honesty, you know? I was just in a record store, shout out Repo Records on South Street, Philadelphia. The one that they have there, I'm pretty sure, is the new crop of reissues. Just does not have this green curtain sleeve, so that's kind of cool. She sets right in there on stage. Album title, quick track list at the bottom with a really cool salmon and coral color scheme, which recalls the casual music video. The person I bought this from on Discogs.com said that there were some slight dings on the corners, which is true, but they're a lot less noticeable than I thought. Take a look inside. You're gonna see the gatefold art before I do. Whoa! She's so cool, man. This album is one of those albums where every song to me reminds me of a different artist that I really like, which is awesome. Bronco does that for me as well. If you want, I'll make videos about that at a later time. But, okay, so we have some glitter confetti that I think is that real? Can you see that? Sparkly star confetti. Yes, it's loose confetti, which I don't love, but hey, I'm gonna go along with it. I'm here for the ride. I just have, worked in a nightclub for 10 years and have some confetti trauma. Oh, before I put this away, let's just take a look. I don't want to mess with it too much. Yes, it's a nice black vinyl. Take a look at the sticker. Okay, stars. Okay, I gotta figure out what to do with this later. I don't mean to seem like an idiot. This stuff's gonna fall out and stuff, but that's okay. You know what? I'll probably open it up, get messy with it. It'll get everywhere. I'll lose it all, and that'll be fine because she can do whatever she wants also. It looks like the lyrics are all on the sleeves. She's the best thing out right now. This album is amazing. I can't wait to see what else she does in the next couple years and the rest of her life. We're lucky as fuck to have this artist making art for us. I'm a huge, huge fan. So that's all I have for you today. Some nice, more mainstream poppy stuff. Thanks for hanging out with me today, guys. We love you. Behold, thanks for stopping by. Let me know what you like. Let me know what you want. Have a really nice day. Have a really nice day.